Okay, to be honest with you, I do not like the Knicks because of their fans. But anyways, you are now watching World's Fastest Engine 6, 7, 8, 9.
Welcome to the Thomas and Friends Games World's Fastest Engine, episode 89. Today's competing engines are Frostini, Action Chugger, Luke, Thomas, Splash Tank James, Chatsworth, Nia, and Hugo. Now, let's get started with the quarterfinals. Frostini versus Action Chugger.
Will be the one and only. Will be I forgot those things will be the game. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. I go to why am I on 2026? Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday will.
Next up, Luke versus Thomas.
Also, I'm guessing that Bianca or AK or Vika and Crew maybe watching my videos. Yeah. And Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday will be the ones that we make the World Fastest Engine episodes. And now,
Splash Tank James versus Chatsworth.
Second game, he's dominating the Thomas and Friends characters. Thomas and Friends and characters are supposed to be drafted in case because the models are supposed to be fast. You guys, you getting just one answer. And
finishing up the quarterfinals, Nia versus Hugo.
Don't tell me I did pause.
Four engines left. Semi-finals time with Frostini versus Luke.
Oh. My fault. And Luke stupid. Ooh. My fault for calling. Use me for this. For that.
Off to the finals. Who will he face? Chatsworth or Nia?
Oh, obviously Chatsworth.
Let's find out.
Ooh.
Luke and Chatsworth are in the finals.
Put a bomb in the sign to this video. Come on. I'm so cool. And
Chatsworth is the winner.
Don't stop dancing because of me.